Morning. Today's adventure is taking place in Simi Valley, and my main goal today is to hit the Grudge. It's been a really long time since I've ridden that trail, man. Like, I think I went with a group of friends and it was all our first time, so we were just getting lost basically a majority of the way. Yeah, so today I want to revisit it. I kind of want to clean it up and just explore it a little bit more, because I honestly don't remember a lot of the trail. It's been a busy week for me, man. Like, normally I have time to get a few midweek rides, maybe like 1 or 2 rides during the week, and lately for the past like 3 weeks I've just been busy, like Monday through Friday. So really the only days I've been able to ride are Saturday, which I'm not complaining, you know, one day is better than no days. But at the same time, I do miss having those midweek rides, only because they kind of bring me back to life, I guess. Like, they're my gym session, if you would call it anything. Dude, so there's a guy named Dylan Stark. He used to be big into BMX, and then he slowly transitioned to mountain biking, and now he's like going hard at mountain biking. But he just released a video, I think it's called Real Heat or something like that, and he did a clip here in Simi Valley where he hopped off the top of that to this bank. It was insane. I'll try to insert the clip right here so you guys can see, but like, when you look at it in person, that's just massive, dude. It's so crazy though, because when you watch the video, there's so much air time. As soon as he leaves the rock, he's just like in the air for like a good 4 seconds, and then blah, and he lands. I feel so lucky with this overcast right now. I had mentioned in a previous video that I was gonna be in Denver, Colorado for Memorial Day weekend, and that weekend is just around the corner. So I'm really excited for that whole trip, and without a doubt I'll be bringing you guys on the adventure, so you want to stay tuned for that. My heart is already pounding. So as I'm climbing to the top, I run into these guys. They say they watch the channel, chatting it up. They're just finishing up, but we're gonna be starting. All right, gentlemen. What was your guys' name? Mao. Mao? Wendell. Paul. And Caesar. Yeah. All right, boys. Take care. Enjoy the rest of your day. Yeah. That is so sick. Huge shout out to them, man. So I got curious about where this path leads, so that is what we're going to do. It's literally just a cliff to the freeway, but you got a nice view of the welcome to Simi Valley. Well, just my luck. A broken chain, but I can't be mad. It's been a long time since this has happened to me, so I'm not upset. I absolutely love this tool. I don't know where I would be without it. And we're rolling. Luckily I had another link in these tire levers, and then I just broke off the bad link with my chain breaker, and that's it. One thing I have to make sure to put in my pack is a pair of gloves to work on my bike, because it got pretty messed up. Just in case, you know, whenever I'm working on my bike, I can throw them on and not get my hands dirty. Just a little bit more. I need to take a little breather. Here we go. The Grudge. I haven't been on this trail in a while, so I'm curious to see how it looks now. Forgot about that. I will admit that it looks very beautiful with all this overgrown stuff. Already off to a shaky start. One thing I will admit about the Grudge is that it can be pretty confusing to find the right path. It is a fun trail. Are we going the right way? Figured it out. I think the same thing happened to me last time, where I took the exact same route. Easy. Hey, thank you so much. Man, that little rocky section is fun. Thank you so much. Yeah, just me. Massive gap you can hit. I'm not feeling too sandy lately, man. I think a lot of it has to do with me not riding as much, so my confidence has been a little funky. I mean, it's there, it just has to be built up, you know, through practice. There's other days. Oh, that's what it was. I was wondering what all the banging was. I forgot to turn on my clutch. Well, you live and learn. It wasn't really affecting the way I was riding, but it just kept making a bunch of noise. Oh, man, check out these rocks. I'm standing on a feature right now that looks really fun. It's nothing crazy, but you come right up, then you hop off into this little bank. Dude, sometimes it's nice to just like chill and enjoy this view. Like, you're just plowing through these trails, which is fun, don't get me wrong, but it's also fun to like take a break and like enjoy everything around you. There are crappy days, there are good days, but you definitely got to soak in the good days. This that shoots you, man. Alright, so this is the route. Let's just roll them. Dude. Having your gear ratio on a good setting will definitely give you an advantage on this trail. Last time I think I went right, but I'm gonna go left this time because that's what the map says. So let's give the map a follow. Whoa. Rider. Thank you so much. Take care. It's just me.
Behind you.
No, just me.
Okay.
Thank you. I feel like at this point everything goes down to the bottom, no matter which way you go. Little baby gap right there. So sorry. I'll go behind you. Thank you so much. It's just me. Thank you. I'm feeling it now. Brakes are hot. Nice, man. It was a little slow in the beginning, but definitely worth it towards the end. Until next time. out of here. Such an intense day. I had a way better experience on the Grudge this time than I did the first time I hit it with my group of friends. Just because I feel like towards the end, I went the right way rather than going the wrong way like I did last time. This upcoming weekend, it's gonna be Memorial Day weekend, and I'm gonna be in Colorado, and I'm gonna be riding out there. I am not taking my bike. In a previous video, I had mentioned that it was gonna be too chaotic to take my bike. So instead, I am renting a bike, but I don't wanna give you guys too much detail about it. I'll save that for the actual video of when I'm riding in Colorado. And the way it's gonna go down is I get the bike from 11:30 to 5 p.m. My girlfriend's actually gonna like shuttle me to the top of the trail with the bike rental, and then I'll be able to descend. So it's gonna be a whole day of fun. I've never ridden my bike in Colorado. I've seen a lot of cool videos though, so that should be very exciting. Ladies and gentlemen, that's gonna wrap up this ride. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.